everybody, welcome to my channel. We are at CVS and I'm going to go in the store and show you guys some deals. A lot of you guys like how I do this. It works out better for me because then I know if I mess up on my math. But I'm excited to get some deals and share with you guys what I got and all that fun stuff. So let's go inside and save some money. These soft soap and Irish Spring body wash and then the bars of soap are on sale for $4.99. I do have 2 insert coupons that we have of the body wash and 2 insert coupons of the bar soap, and then I also have a 4 off of 25 hand soap body wash CRT and a 3 off of 4 CRT, along with a $1 off Irish Springs body wash CRT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy 2 of the soft soap, 2 of the Irish Springs, and 2 of the bars, and use those 6 coupons plus the digital. I'll pay just $17.94, but every 2 you buy, you get a $4 extra care buck. This is a limit of 3, so it comes out to be just $5.94 or 99 cents for 6 of these items, which is a great deal. The Love Beauty and Planet body wash is $9.99. We do have a $3 off printable coupon, and then I have a $3 off CRT body wash, and then I also have another one that I have clipped to my card for $3. So I will just get this bottle of body wash for 99 cents. So the Oreo 110th birthday, and then it looks like we also have the ultimate chocolate flavor cream. These are $5.99 and they're 50% off. So you get them for $2.99. But we do have some dollar rebates with Ibotta. So you'll get them for just $1.99, which is a pretty decent deal. We're going to get the double ceramic Conair flattener for $27.49. Now I actually have 2 CRTs to use. I have a 30% off and I have a 5 off of 20. You end up getting it for just $14.24, but then when you purchase the one item, you get a $10 extra care buck, so it comes out to be just $4.23. Now this also qualifies for the 15 off of 60, so I might do that depending on how much I get with the shampoo and conditioner. So this is a scenario that I'm going to do. I am going to buy 6 of the L'Oreal Paris. These are 2 for $8, so I'm going to do that. I have a 5 off of 3 printable coupon, and then I also have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I'm going to buy 3 of the John Frieda's. These are $7.49. I actually have a 5 off of 3 John Frieda CRT, and then I have a 3 off of 3 nail polish, nail care, hair care CRT that I will be using, plus there is a $2 off digital coupon that I will be using. I have the whole blends that are 2 for $7, and there is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon for the whole blends. And I'm going to get the Garnier Fructis, but there's also a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So with all these items, I will be paying $19.47 for all 13 of these bottles. But you will get $5 back when you spend $15 with the L'Oreal, and then I get $1 back with Ibotta for the Frizz or for the John E. So I'll be getting $3 back with the John Frieda products. So my final total comes out to be $11.47 or just 88 cents each for all of these, which I think is a great deal, and I love the John Frieda products. You're going to want to grab a Colgate Optic Renewal. These are on sale for $7.99, and then we have a $3 off digital coupon that you're going to use along with this Colgate for $7.99, and you're going to grab one of those and use also the $3 off digital coupon. You're going to then get 4 of the Colgate toothbrushes that are $3.99. I have a digital coupon for $2 off, so you're going to use that. And then I have the 5 off of 25 CRT. You'll pay $18.94, but when you purchase 2 of the $7.99 products, you get a $6 extra care buck, and then every 2 that you buy of the $3.99, you get a $5 extra care buck, so you'll end up getting $16 back and an extra care buck. Your final total comes out to be just $2.94 or 49 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal considering you're getting really expensive toothpaste. We're going to do 2 of the CoverGirl mascara for $6.99. We're going to use a printable $3 off coupon, and then I also have a $3 off digital. I also have a $4 off CRT, and then I'm going to stack that also with my 3 off of 10 cosmetics CRT. So I'll just pay 98 cents, but when you purchase the 2 of them, you get a $6 extra care buck. This will come out to be a $5.02 moneymaker. The Huggies diapers are $13.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You're going to use 2 of the $2.50 off insert coupons that we have, and then I also have a $4 off to any Huggies CRT that I will be using. And then you will pay $11.98. But when you purchase when you spend 15 or spend 20, which does come out to 20, you get a $5 extra care buck. But then there's also a $1 rebate with Ibotta, which does end soon. So these come out to be just $4.98 or $2.49 each, which is a great deal. Hi everybody, welcome back. I am here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. There was one item that I got, and it was just a pain in the butt, and I'm just going to share with you guys right here. So I got the double ceramic flat iron. Now this was $27.49. I had a 5 off of 20, and I had a 30%. Everything came off fine, and then when we went to hit the price to pay, it would not work, and then they had to go cancel that and go to another register, and she still couldn't get it to work. So this was a pain in the butt, but those coupons did work. You'd end up just paying $14.24 for this, but when you spend $25 or more with this hair appliance deal, you get a $10 extra care buck. So I just got this for $4.24. I think it's a pretty good deal for a flat iron. You can't go wrong with it. They had these locked up. I had to have them unlock it up for me. So I did that. Now I'm gonna go share with you guys the shampoo and conditioner deal that I did. So I ended up getting 3 of the John Frieda products. I absolutely love their products. That's what I have in my hair right now. But these were $7.49. I had a what did I have? I had a $2 off digital coupon, and then I had a 5 off of 3 CRT for John Frieda. And then I also had a 3 off of 3 any hair thing. So I kind of used it for this item. So I ended up getting those. I got 2 of the whole blends. These were 2 for $7, and I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I used a Garnier Fructis. These were 2 for $7, and I used a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then I had the L'Oreal Elvive. Now these were 2 for $8, and I got 6 of them. I had a 5 off of 3 printable coupon, and then I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So I ended up using that. I ended up getting $60.47 worth of shampoo and conditioner, so I was able to use that 15 off of 60 CRT. So with all that stuff, I ended up paying just $19.47 for 13 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. But when you spent $15 on the L'Oreal Elvive, you got $5 back. And then with the John Frieda, I ended up getting $1 back for each item with Ibotta, so that was $3 back. So my grand total came to $11.47, or just 88 cents for 13 bottles of shampoo and conditioner, you guys. That is crazy, but I'm like, I will take it. I really wanted to get the John Frieda as low as I could. So I saw these over by the Easter clearance. This is the ultimate chocolate flavor. This was $2.99 along with the birthday. These are both $2.99. You'd spend $2.99, but then there is a $1 rebate for this one and a $1 rebate for this one. Now I had an 8 off of 40 email CRT that I ended up using for this transaction. I did 4 transactions. I just showed you guys the 2 that I did. So I ended up also getting the Huggies diapers. These are $13.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I used 2 $2.50 off coupons, and then I had a 4 off of 2 CRT that I used. You would pay $11.98, but then you get $5 back when you purchase the 2, and then I get $1 back times 2 with Ibotta, making these just $4.98 or $2.50 a piece. I haven't bought diapers at CVS in a very long time, so I was happy with that. Then I also had the Love and Beauty body wash. This was $9.99. I had two $3 off CRTs, and then I had that $3 off printable coupon, making this just 99 cents. So I got that. I needed to spend $4 more. I needed to spend $4 more to do this deal. And I'm like, okay, what can I get that's $4 more? Well, I knew there was one Burt's Bees left, and I did have a digital coupon for it, but it was not coming off. I don't know if it even came off at the register. Let's see. But it was $4.79, and I wanted to use my my digital coupon. Oh, where's this receipt for this? Really, it's gonna be every single coupon. Okay, the coupon did not work, but I did have a $2 off coupon, and it did not work. So that's okay. But you'd pay $4.79 for this, but then you get that $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2.79. But with that coupon, it would have worked out better, but it just didn't. Sorry, it's getting a little hot in here. So I needed to spend $4 more to use my 8 off of 40, so that's why I did this deal. So it's a hit or miss if you guys can get that, but I ended up getting all that stuff with my 8 off of 40 CRT. Then I did one more transaction, and it was everything in this bag. So I ended up getting the toothpaste. I got 4 of the Colgate toothpaste. These were $3.99. I had one digital $2 off coupon, so I used that. But then I ended up getting the Colgate Renewal. This was $7.99, and then I had another Colgate Renewal for $7.99. But there are 2 different $3 off digital coupons that you want to use for this. I had a 5 off of 25 Colgate CRT that I used. You would pay $18.94 for 6 tubes of toothpaste. But every 2 that you bought of the $3.99 ones, you got a $5 extra care buck, so I got $10 back with this. And then I got a $6 extra care buck for buying 2 of these. So my grand total came to $3.92, or just 48 cents each, which I think is a pretty decent deal if you guys need to stock up on toothpaste. Usually we say go for free, but you know, there's times where I think $2.94 for those 2 expensive ones are okay. Then we have the the CoverGirl mascara. I got 2 of these. These were $6.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons. I had one that was a digital and one was a printable. I also had a 4 off CRT and a 3 off of 10 beauty CRT. So I paid 98 cents for this, but then you get a $6 extra care buck, making this a $5.02 moneymaker. So it made up for the toothpaste anyways. So I was happy with that. Then I also got the Irish Spring body wash. I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 of the bar soaps, and then I got 2 of the soft soaps. So these were all $4, and what were they? $4.99. My store did not carry the tabs, but I used the 4 paper coupons, and then I had a $1 off digital coupon. I also had a 4 off of 25 body wash CRT / bar soap CRT, and then I had a 3 off of 4 CRT. Paid $17.94, but every 2 that you bought, you got $4 back. So I got $12 back with doing this deal. So these came out to be just $5.94, or 99 cents each, which I think is a pretty decent deal, considering all that stuff is going up in price and it's getting ridiculous. So my total came out to be $19.31. Now the reason why it came out to be so high was the iron, because I used a 30% off coupon. When you use the percentage coupons, do not pay with extra care bucks because it lowers your price, okay? So I paid $19.31. I did not. Make sure you guys are using that Flues app. You know, it's free money right there. But I ended up using $64 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $54 back. Ibotta, I received $9 back. That is for the Huggies, the $2 for the Huggies. I got $3 back for the John Frieda hair stuff, and then I also got $2 back for the Oreos. There's a truck going by. And then I also got $2 back for the Burt's Bees. So I got $9 back with the Burt's for Ibotta. So my grand total came to $20.31. I got 34 items at 59 cents each. I think that's a pretty good deal. Considering 20 bucks for everything, considering this is $27 alone. The diapers they sell for $13.99 each. I think I did a pretty good deal. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed my haul. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. See you later. Bye-bye.